Get high yields with these dividend stocks. These dividend stocks can generate steady cash flow for long-term investors. Stag Industrial, a vast commercial real estate portfolio, brings in steady cash flow. Badger Meter, the water technology and solutions company, is on a tear and has raised its dividend by at least 10% per year for a while. Main Street Capital, monthly dividend payouts and a prudent portfolio make this stock an enticing pick for investors who want high yields. Let's dive in. Income Oasis. Here are the 3 dividend stocks to quench your cash thirst. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Are you looking for extra cash flow? Well, you can use rental properties to make extra money. These investments require more time and capital. Investors seeking an easier path to high yields and growth may want to focus on dividend stocks instead. These corporations regularly give out dividends to their shareholders. You can use these payments to assist with living expenses while the underlying investment grows. It's also possible to reinvest the dividend to increase your cash flow in the future. Dividend reinvestments are a great idea when you are still far from retirement. However, you have to pick the right stocks to accumulate cash flow. These are some of the dividend stocks that can give you extra cash and upside. Number 1. Stag Industrial. You don't have to own real estate to profit from it. Stag Industrial is a real estate investment trust that acquires warehouses and storage facilities. The company generates steady cash flow from its tenants and has a vast footprint of 112.3 million square feet in 41 states. Stag Industrial isn't the type of stock to outperform the market. However, it's a stable pick with price targets ranging from $34–$45 per share. Stag Industrial also doesn't raise its dividends much but makes monthly payouts. Those consistent payouts can make it easier to cover living expenses without selling shares during your retirement years. The current dividend per share is $0.1233 per month. Stag Industrial closed the fourth quarter with increases in net income per share and funds from operations per share. Revenue increased by 7.6% year over year to reach $183.3 million. Stag Industrial is a pick for investors who don't want as much drama within their portfolios. Number 2. Badger Meter. Badger Meter is a water technology and solutions company that helps companies measure water flow, quality, and other system parameters. The company assists with the sustainable use and protection of the world's most valuable resource. This distinction has helped Badger Meter silently outperform many stocks while generating cash flow. Shares in this under-the-radar $4.5 billion company have gained 32% over the past year and are up by 157% over the past 5 years. Although the company only has a 0.7% dividend yield, growth is happening quickly. The firm has been raising its dividend by 10% or more over the past several years. Last year, Badger Meter hiked its quarterly dividend from 0.225 cents per share to 0.27 cents per share, marking a 20% year-over-year increase. A 40% year-over-year increase in diluted earnings per share in fourth quarter 2023 supports this dividend bump. Revenue increased by 24% year-over-year, fueled by software sales that increased by 27% year-over-year. Number 3. Main Street Capital. Main Street Capital offers a high yield and monthly payouts. You can get a 6.35% dividend yield at the current price. Shares trade at a 9 PE ratio and are up by 14% over the past year. The business development company lends money to small and medium-sized businesses. Main Street Capital prioritizes clients with revenues between $10 million and $150 million and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization ranging from $3 million to $20 million. Main Street Capital has its capital spread across dozens of industries. The Internet Software and Services is the largest segment and consists of 8% of Main Street Capital's portfolio. Machinery is the second largest segment, making up 7% of the firm's total portfolio. The stock has presented the winning formula for investors who want high yields and monthly payouts. However, don't expect this stock to outperform the stock market. That's not the purpose of a stock like Main Street Capital. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.